Hello children, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you are all safe in your home. Have you written your homework? Have you completed your class work? What did you learn yesterday? Have you remembered? Use of have, has, had. Yes or no? I hope you have understood very well. Okay, today we will learn about use of is, am, or. Use of is, am, or. Okay. Is means இருக்கிறான் இருக்கிறாள் இருக்கிறது இருக்கிறான் இருக்கிறாள் இருக்கிறது. am means இருக்கிறேன். am means இருக்கிறேன். are means இருக்கிறார்கள் இருக்கிறோம் இருக்கிறாய். okay. Is, am and or can be used as main verb. Is, am and or can be used as main verb or as verb that help other verb also. okay. The is, am, or வந்து main verb ஆகவும் யூஸ் ஆகுது and helping verb ஆகவும் நம்ம பயன்படுத்துகிறோம். okay. For example, I am happy. I am happy. நான் மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்கிறேன். நான் மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்கிறேன். You are kind. You are kind. Next, she is studying. They are teasing others. They are teasing others. Okay, now everybody listen carefully. Keep in mind. Keep in mind. We use am with I. Am with I. நம்ம எங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? am வந்து I வரும்போது ஐயுடன் யூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டும். ஓகே, we use am with I. Is with he, she, it. We use is with he, she, it. He, she, it வந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? is யூஸ் பண்ணணும். we got to use is when he, she, it comes. okay. he, she, it வரும்போது நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? is யூஸ் பண்ணணும். and singular nouns we are talking about only one person mean we got to use is. okay. only one person அப்படின்னா singular noun, one person, one thing, we got to use என்னது? is யூஸ் பண்ணணும். okay. இப்போ ராஜா, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், ராஜா is a doctor. Raja is a doctor. இப்போ ராஜா is a only one person. yes, we are talking about only one person. so we used is. அதனால தான் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்? is யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ராஜா is a doctor. okay. if the subject singular mean we got to use is. okay. next, are with you, we, they and plural nouns. are with, we use are with you, we, they and plural nouns. நம்ம ஆர் எங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? யூ வந்தால் ஆர் யூஸ் பண்ணணும், வி வந்தால் ஆர் யூஸ் பண்ணணும், தே கம்ஸ் we use ஆர். and plural nouns. okay. we talk about more than person. okay. more than person we got to use ஆர். we got to use ஆர். have you understood? அப்போ am we use am with I. we use is with he, she, it and singular nouns we use are with you, we, they and plural nouns have you understood? okay, listen carefully. Listen to the example. First example, this is my book. this is my book. we are talking about only one book, so we used is. this is my book. okay. நம்ம ஒரே ஒரு புக்கை பற்றி தான் பேசுகிறோம், அதனால் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கு? is யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கு. he is my friend. we are talking about only one person. yes, he is my friend. அவன் என்னுடைய நண்பனாக இருக்கிறான். so only one person, so we used is. okay. next, she is a doctor. she is a doctor. அவள் ஒரு மருத்துவராக இருக்கிறாள். so Again also we are talking about only one person, so we use is. That is my dog. We are talking about only one animal, yes, so we used is. It is a rainy day. We are talking about one day only, so we used is. Ramesh is a painter. Again we are talking about only one person, so we used is. Okay, one person வந்துச்சு, நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம், is யூஸ் பண்ணோம். என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம், is யூஸ் பண்ணோம். we have to use is. Have you understood? Okay, listen next examples. They are going to Delhi. They are going to Delhi. We are talking about more than person. They are. They means அவர்கள், அப்படிதானே. So we used are. Second one, you are a beautiful girl. You are a beautiful girl. Or we use are with you also. Yes, so we used are. இங்கே you வந்திருக்கனால நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், are யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Next, we are watching a movie. We are watching a movie. We are talking about more than person, so we used are. Ram and Mohan are brothers. Ram and Mohan are brothers. We are talking about two persons, so we used are. These mangoes are very sweet. These mangoes are very sweet. We are talking about many mangoes. Yes, many mangoes. So we used are. Have you understood? Okay, all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note and turn your classwork page. And turn your classwork page. Take new page and write use of am, is, or. Use of am, is, or. Everybody take your classwork. Have you taken? Write it fast. Use of am, is, or. Am இருக்கிறேன். Am இருக்கிறேன். Is இருக்கிறான், இருக்கிறாள், இருக்கிறது. Are இருக்கிறார்கள், இருக்கிறோம், இருக்கிறாய். Write it fast. Use of am, is, or. Okay, write it fast. Have you written? Am is used with I. Is used with he, she, it. Are is used with you, we, they. Write it fast. Everybody look and write. Okay, let's write the examples. I am a farmer. நான் ஒரு விவசாயியாக இருக்கிறேன். He is a doctor. அவன் ஒரு மருத்துவராக இருக்கிறான். Ready fast? Okay, number 3. She is a teacher. அவள் ஒரு ஆசிரியையாக இருக்கிறாள். Ready first? Write it fast. Okay, next number 4. You are drinking water. Number 4. You are drinking water. நீ தண்ணீர் குடித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கின்றாய். You are drinking water. You got to underline R. Fifth one, you are playing cricket. நீங்கள் மட்டைப்பந்து விளையாடிக் கொண்டிருக்கிறீர்கள். Write it first. Everybody say and write. Number 6, they are going to market. They are going to market. அவர்கள் சந்தைக்கு போய் கொண்டிருக்கிறார்கள். Number 7, it is flying in the sky. அது வானத்தில் பறந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறது. Write it fast. Have you written seventh one? Eighth one. We are playing football. We are playing football. நாம் கால்பந்து விளையாடிக் கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். Write it fast. Okay, have you written your class up? Next, turn your homework page. Write the homework. Okay, everybody, write the homework. Use am, is, or. First one, the cat dash under the chair. The cat dash under the chair. TH the CAT cat dash UNDER under. TH the CHAIR chair. The cat dash under the chair. Second one, some books dash on the table. SOME some. BOOKS books dash on. THE TABLE table. Some books dash on the table. Number 3. The fruits dash in the bowl. T-H-E the F-R-U-I-T-S fruits dash I-N in T-H-E the B-O-W-L bowl. Number 4. A boy dash running. A boy B-O-Y boy running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G running. Number 5. I dash going to school. G-O-I-N-G going. T-O-2-S-C HOOL school. Number 6. I dash reading a book. READING reading a BOOK book. Number 7. He dash singing a song. SINGING singing a SONG song. Number 8. We dash dancing on the stage. DANCING dancing on THE the stage. STAGE stage. We dash dancing on the stage. Number 9. Eat dash eating a grass. Number 10. They dash keeping the notes. Write it fast. You got to use am, is, or. Okay. Write it fast. Okay children, today this class is over. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you all.